Hi, I'm Tadao of Madatsukairude. Madatsukairude is Japanese meaning you can still use it. So let's repair yourself and save money, energy, and resources. This is a follow-up video to my previous video for the engine spacer or the hood spacer for 93 Jeep Cherokee. And after installation of the spacer, I recognized about 1 inch of a relatively big gap between the hood and the body. And one worry is the rain, but at the same time, another worry is the leaves. If you park under the tree, you got tons of leaves under that hood, and that's not good for the engine. So I decided to put some mesh there, and I think they're gonna work fine. So this is how it went. So I was thinking about how to avoid the leaves, tree leaves, or any dust. Not really dust, it's more like a tree leaves coming into the engine room with a big gap. I put the spacer, and so I decided to put the gutter mesh. And the gutter mesh, the whole purpose is to keep the leaves coming into the gutter. So this actually worked fine. I think it looks like I used the original plastic pins, and I removed the rubber seal here, and instead I installed this gutter mesh, and so that this guy gonna keep the tree leaves coming into the engine room. And when it's closed, it looks like this. So I'm pretty sure this gonna keep the fallen leaves off the engine room. And that's a very important thing. I think, if you have some the leaves coming into the engine room, they're gonna may burn eventually, so it's not really good. So as for the water, I haven't thought about anything yet, but at this moment I'll just keep this as is. On the sides, I don't know. Around here when I am parking, I think the tree leaf size is probably larger than this gap, so it's probably fine. But here it was obviously the gap is larger than the leaves. And this is the gutter, original gutter mesh. It's about what, 4 inches, I guess. And so I just happened to find it in my garage, and I just well, I thought that this is gonna work fine, so I decided to do it. And I hope this is gonna help your brainstorming, the way you work on that engine hood gap. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.